Gwaride ambalo liliandaliwa special.
President William Ruto niacemanetie na macibu na nini ao 5,892 thutha wao kurikiriria mathomo ma kugacirithia wira wao makiria. President Ruto akimoria hamwe na maafitha a ugiteri mang'ethanire na nyanake iria ironeka kuongerereka matura-ini makihuthirwo ni ateti kuhotomia thayo.
Tumekubaliana ya kwamba sisi ni nchi ambayo tunafuata sheria. Wale ambao wanatumia vijana kama wahuni, watu ambao wanatumika kulete fujo, kupiganisha wananchi, kulete maafa, hawa ni watu ambao hatuwezi kukubali. Na nishamueleza Inspector General wetu wa polisi kwamba watu hawa wote lazima wachukuliwe hatua kali za kisheria, ndio tukomeshe uhuni na mambo ambayo yanaharibu usalama katika taifa letu la Kenya.
Ona gutuika kuri ona ciuria cia ni aya makoretwo magituma nyanake ici kwagagia muingi, ciuria cia uria nyanake ici ciagirirwo gukuranwo ni itumukite, amu no gukoretwo na aria monekaga ta mararutithania wira na aria me thirikari-ini. Ciiko iria ciaya kuongerereka makiria, riu twirigireire kuingira kimera gya uteti.
In the next few months is to make sure that Your Excellency we deal with the issue of goons across the country. And I must say this, Your Excellency, this must be done without fear or favor. It must be done indiscriminately. And you know, Your Excellency, our IG and the security sector cannot condone that behavior. And what we saw yesterday in Nairobi cannot be condoned. And I believe that, Your Excellency, you will get results the way you directed the IG yesterday. You will get results to ensure that those who are behind carrying goons to meetings to paint security sector and to paint these officers in a bad light shall be dealt with, and they will face the law.
Oho macibu maya ni moritio mekirire kurua na unyui wa njohi na dawa cia kulevya matura-ini. President akirahira gukorwo na wabici-ini ya president kumariria mambiririe kwandikithia arimi, uheani wa bataraitha cia thogora wa thi na wiyandikithia wa SHA.
Na tumekubaliana ya kwamba mambo ya madawa ya kulevya, mambo ya pombe haramu, tutafanya kazi hiyo as a whole of government approach, tukiongozwa na ngao officers.
Muthe wa keri kiroko meregerirwo guthie thingira wa iregi kurianira na President Ruto na oho kwaririria maundu megi utongoria na motungata ma muingi.
Thutha wao kwamukira githomo giki kuringana na President William Ruto, macibu maya riu ni marehokwo gukorwo magicokia thayo matura-ini na muno makiria kurehe wathi mweru motungata-ini mao. Ngiribotera Inooro TV kuma Embakasi muciĩ munene wa Nairobi, njĩtagwo Jenga Wambui.